Okay, welcome students. Welcome to my class. It's school mathematics. And today I have brought here the questions, okay, to prove by using the laws of indices. The students feel, difficult while solving such problems. That's why these difficult questions are brought here. One by one, I will solve here and show you here so that it will be so easy, okay, for you. Okay, the first question is like this. Look here. The question is here if number one, I'm solving here one by one, okay? And here it is given if it is given x equals to mn, okay? X equals to there is given mn in the bracket, okay? Right, mn and its whole power given in bracket 1. Its whole power is given there 1 by 3 and minus another is given there also mn, okay? Its power is negative minus 1, okay? This is negative minus 1 by 3, okay? This is the given value and asked us this is 3, okay? This is 3 minus 1 by 3 and asked us to prove, okay? Then right here question is asking to prove, and here is to prove x cube plus 3x x cube plus 3x equals to, and here we have to prove that mn, right, mn minus 1 by mn, okay? This is the question to prove here. This is our left hand side, okay, and this is our right hand side. By using this value we are going to prove here, okay? And for this, first of all, right here solution, right here solution, okay, and then comma, and then here first of all write the given value. Its value is given there. First of all, this is mn whole power and this is given 1 by 3, okay? This is 1 by 3 and minus, put here mn whole power minus 1 by 3. This is the given value. And look here, this is our left hand side here to prove this one. So that right here, left hand side, shortcut LHS. Okay, left hand side is given there. Here is x cube, right? Here is x cube plus 3 into x. Okay, this 3x means 3 into x. This is our left hand side here. Then our answer should come here, mn minus 1 by mn. Okay, and children, look there, as we know, look here. Here is x value. Okay, then in place of x we can put it, look here, like this. In place of x value is this given both two terms. Okay, this is both terms. Then we can put in bracket this one. Okay, right, like this, curly bracket. And then this is x means what is here, write it same. The x value is given there, m n. Okay, its whole power is 1 by 3. Okay, like this, write a 1 by 3, and there's given minus, and right here m n. Okay, its whole power is 1 minus 1 by 3. So here like this. Okay, this is the value of x we put here. Then it's also given there cube there. This is cube, right, like this cube. And when we put here this one's here plus, write a plus, and here is 3. Okay, and look children, and there is x here. X means we know x value is given here, write it m n. Okay, and this is m n. Oh, this one. Okay, m n whole power, there is 1 by 3. Okay, this is this one first term. Okay, and plus there is another one, there is mn, right, mn, its whole power is given there, minus 1 by 3, and put these two terms in a curly bracket. Okay, like this we have to write. Remember this. Okay, okay, now look here at the side, I want to write one formula, that is, this is formula. Okay, see here, this is the formula. Okay, formula we have to know this. Okay, if there is given like this here, a plus b whole cube. Actually, we know this whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube means we know, right? This is the formula. Look here, its formula is a cube plus, okay, and here we'll add a 3a square b, okay, plus 3a b square, right, a b square. Okay, and then last right here plus b cube. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube, right? And look here, when you put this a cube plus b cube this side, one side only. Okay, this, and like this it will be a cube plus b cube, put this side, and from this two term, if you take 3ab common, okay, it will be like this. Okay, write the same here, a plus b whole cube. Okay, b whole cube, and here will be, now I'm putting this a cube plus b cube together. Okay, close, and like this. Look here, a cube plus b cube I am keeping together, right? Like this, a cube plus b cube together. Then I am taking common between this 3a square b plus 3ab square. There's common 3ab, okay? Right, 3ab common. Then what is left here, children? In this one, 3ab common gone, then there is a square, that's why a left here. A is remaining here, plus, and b is remaining there, okay? Like this. And from this, which one formula came? Do you know? Look here, I am drawing this line here. It's formula, look here. If you put this a cube plus b cube one side, therefore from here one formula came. A cube plus b cube right in one place. A cube plus b cube, okay? Right in one side. And when this one term, look at this plus sign, when it is taken on the left side, then its formula comes like this. Look here. Here on the left side, what is there? There is a plus b, okay, whole cube, right? On the left side, this a plus b whole cube. And when this plus 3ab into a plus b goes on the left side, then it will be here minus 3ab, right? Inside the bracket, now there will be this one a plus b, a plus, here is plus and b, right here b, okay? This a plus b, okay? Like this, we have to do it, okay? Look here. This one I want to write this b clearly. This is a plus b, okay? Here is a plus b. Then look here, Selen. This is the formula, okay? This is the formula, and now that's why I'm separating this separately this side, okay? This a cube plus b cube formula, and same this formula is here also, okay? Okay, here is also, but that is in negative one. That's why here also, if here will be, look here, and similarly, if here will be a cube minus b cube, okay? If here is a cube minus b cube, if here will be a cube minus b cube, then what happens? Look here, inside the bracket here will be a minus b whole cube, okay? Inside the bracket there will be negative a minus b whole cube. This wherever this minus, there will be plus now. Plus, we have tried a 3ab, okay? Plus 3ab, there will be plus 3ab. Inside the bracket also there will be now a minus b, okay? Write a minus b and close the bracket. Here we have to use this formula. It is in a cube minus b cube formula form, okay? Right here, a cube minus b cube formula. Look here. Now look, children, here. This formula, look. This is, look here, a minus b whole cube. Here is whole cube, okay? Here look, a minus b whole cube, and here is plus 3ab. You'll think that here is ab, but here is not ab, okay? Here is also ab, because in place of this, a means what is there? In place of this, okay, there is hidden this thing, okay? Look here, I want to show you here inside this box, okay? What is hidden? I want to show you there. This is mn power 1 by 3, and when you this is a, okay, and mn power minus 1 by 3, both the bases are same. Then when you multiply them, mn power, what will be there? Mn power, there will be minus 1 by 3, okay? It will be minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, okay? When you add these two power, it will be 0. It will come there, mn power mn, okay? This equals to mn, its whole power will come 0. Okay, that's why mn power 0 means 1. That's why here is 1. Okay, that's why 3 1 is 3. That's why here is also AB like this formula. Okay, 3AB. But it is not shown here, it is hidden here. Okay, then what we can do here now, see, we can do here, this is the formula of this AQ minus BQ. Then right here, this is A is what there? A is there, M n whole power 1 by 3, right? It's also will be A cube, okay? Right, like A cube and minus B cube. B, what is there? B? B is there, Mn, okay? Whole power, there is minus 1 by 3, okay? And it's also whole cube will be there. Now, when you open this formula, okay, what happens? Look here, it will come. If you open this one, look, power and whole power is multiplied in laws of indices. This 1 by 3 will multiply with this 3. Then 3 by 3, there is no, this cancel. And here also, this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled because it will come like this, no? 1 by 3 into 3, right? And this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled like this, okay? We have to cancel like this here. And here is remaining then m and remaining, okay? And minus, here is also this 3 cancel, then here will be remaining mn, okay, its whole power remaining minus 1, okay, minus 1. Then when you make it positive, it goes down, okay, it will go down. That's why remaining is here mn minus 1 by, down, if you take it down denominator, then its power will be positive. This negative power change to positive. This is our right hand side to prove. This is our right hand side to prove. Okay, like this question will be solved, okay, in this way. I hope you will be very clear about this question. Okay, children, now look here, I am going to give you similar type of question to solve you. Okay, look here. Okay, here Sangeet Nepal has joined, okay, from USA. Yes, Sangeet, I'm fine here. How are you there? Sangeet Nepal has written message in comment box, okay, from USA. I'm fine here, Sangeet. I hope you are also fine there. I want to give you similar type of question, okay, to solve. Here, that is question number 2, okay. Solve like this similarly. And the question is like this, look here. Question is that if x equals to, if x equals to, there is given, if x equals to, okay, similar type of question. X equals to given there 5 to the power 1 by 3, okay, 1 by 3, 5 to the power 1 by 3, power is 1 by 3, okay, this power is 1 by 3, okay, this power is 1 by 3, and another value is given the minus 5 to the power, it's negative power, okay, there is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, this 1 by 3, and then question is asked to prove there, prove, prove, you have to prove here, proof is given there, proof is given there, x cube plus 3x, there is given x cube, okay, plus x cube plus 3x, x cube plus 3x equals to 24 by 5. Write like this, 24 by 5, okay, like this we have to do here. Okay, I have given this question to solve you similarly, okay, as we have done in question number 1. I'm separating the places here, okay, for question number 2. These two formula we have to remember here, okay. Similarly, you can prove this as we have done in question number 1. Solution. Okay, its left hand side is given Right here LHS, left hand side is given there. What is given the left hand side there? X cube, right there, x cube plus 3x. Okay, x cube plus 3x, right, like this, x cube plus 3x. And then we have to write here x value is 5 to the power, that is given 5 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. And next one is there minus 5 to the power also minus 1 by 3. Okay, for given minus 1 by 3, and it should be bracket and whole cube there is, and plus there is 3x, right here 3 into, okay, and here is also x, then write here 5 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, write the 5 to the power 1 by 3, and then minus 5 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, and like this here also it was AB, and when we multiply this to look 5 to the power 1 by 3 and 5 to the power minus 1 by 3, sure this power will be added 1 by 3 and plus 1 minus 1 by 3, then 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 5 to the power 0, and that will be 1 only here. 3 into 1, here is also 1, no problem, here is also 1, we can write 1, here also we can write 1, and this is in the formula of this one. Look, a cube minus b cube, then it comes here, here comes, then what happened here, it will be here a cube minus b cube, that means 5 to the power 1 by 3, it's also whole cube. Okay, minus, and this side also 5 to the power minus 1 by 3, same question like previous one, it's minus 1 by 3. Okay, and it's also whole cube, right? This formula, okay, a cube minus b cube, this one formula, it is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b, that's why a cube minus b cube. Then when you open this bracket, this 3 and this 3 cancel, and they remain just 5 only, and minus, here remain 5 to the power minus 1, because 3 cancel and they remain minus 1 power, here is minus 1 power. Then while making positive, what you have to do, we have to make like this. Look here, write this 5 minus 5 to the power minus 1, means that we can make it here, here we can make this 5 to the power minus 1 into positive 1, it will be here minus 1. Okay, write first minus 1, then it will be like this, see here 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay, like this, then 5 5 is 25, right? 25 minus 1 is 24, when you subtract it, it will come 24 by 5. Okay, this is 24 by 5, which is our, look here, this is the right hand side to prove, no, that's why we have to write here RHS, hence proved, RHS, hence proved. Okay, like this question we have to solve by this process. Okay, this is the way to prove like this. Okay, similarly I want to give you next question also, 3 number, which will be proved by this way, similar way. Okay, please do this question also, 3 number, by same question. Here is given, if x equals to, given there, if x equals to given there 2 power 1 by 3, right, right here 1 by 3 to power 1 by 3, and minus, oh, there is not given minus, here is given plus, and power here is given 2 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, write like this, power minus 1 by 3. This is given and asking to prove that. Then comma, they write to prove. Question is given to prove. Okay, to prove question is given that 2x cube, 2x cube, this is power 3, okay, that is x cube, and minus 6x, right here 6x equals to then 2x cube minus 6x equals to 5. We need to prove this. Let's do this question also by similar process as we have done in question number 1 and 2. Okay, one my regular students Sangeet Nepal, okay, has joined the live class from USA. I think he is in California. Look here, same thing we have to do. This is left hand side, right here LHS, okay, LHS, and LHS given there 2x cube. It's given there 2x cube minus 6x, okay, and we can take here common 2. If we take 2 common here, it means x cube. That x means here remain x cube, here remain x cube, and here remain 3x, okay. Then here also we need to put the value of x here. Here is the value of x is given. This is 2 power 1 by 3, okay. That means put in bracket and write it 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3, then minus 2 power, this is minus 1 by 3. It's negative power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 will be here, minus 1 by 3, okay. Then its whole power is there 3, okay, and here remain also 3 only. Then 3 into x value is there 2 power 1 by 3 and minus 2 power minus 1 by 3 will be there, okay, minus 1 by 3 like this, okay. And here also happens same thing. Here is curly bracket close. This is also now in the formula of this one. Look, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab. Here will be also which one sign this is. The values are given. Look here in plus, this inside the bracket one. That's why here will be plus. Here will be also plus, okay. But inside is minus. That means it is in the formula of a cube minus b cube. Is this? No. It is in the formula of a cube plus b cube. Because look here, it is a plus b whole cube. Middle one is minus. This one formula. A cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Here is plus sign, that's why. Okay. Now we can write here This 2 right outside only common it was. Now it is in the formula of a plus b whole cube minus 3ab. Here is also ab hidden, okay? As I have shown in this previous number 1 and number 2. It will be the formula of now a cube plus b cube. A cube means 2 whole 2, okay? Power 1 by 3. Its whole power 3, okay? A cube plus b cube. B cube is there. 2 power minus 1 by 3 whole cube, okay? It's whole cube here given, okay? Now close it. This 3 and this 3 cancel, this 3 cancel, and here is remaining 2, and we have to write inside the bracket here 2, 3 cancel, and plus here is negative 2 power minus 1, okay? And 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2. We have to write it down, okay? Then write here 2 plus 1 by 2, okay? Right here 2 plus 1 by 2. It means 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, okay? Here will come, look here, 2, when you add this 2 and 1 by 2 add, then it will be coming here 5 by 2, and this 2 and this 2 cancel, and here will remain only 5, okay? Which is our right hand side. This is our right hand side to prove. This is our right hand side to prove. Okay, then hence proof. Our question is proved here. Okay, here is the formula of a plus b whole cube minus 3ab. Here is also ab hidden, okay? Because when ab means this is 2 power 1 by 3 and 2 power minus 1 by 3 is b. And when you multiply them, it will come 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means 1. 1 into 3 means 3 only. Okay, like this we have to prove it. Look, and the similar question I want to give you for the practice of similar type of question. Okay, I'm going to clear this board. Okay, question number 4, that is okay. In question number 4, it is given there, if, look, the question is given there, if x equals to, given there, okay, 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3, okay, and plus next one is given there 2 power minus 1 by 3, and it is given, and then prove that, then prove, question is this, prove, then prove, that is given x cube minus 6x, okay, it is given x cube minus 6x, okay, x cube minus 6x equals to 6, okay. Look here, I answer the question. X cube minus 6x equals to, we need to prove here Question is x cube minus 6x equals to 6 is the question. Okay, to prove, we have to prove this. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Let's see here. The given one value, the given value is there. X value is 1 by 3 and look x value. Okay, here is x value is 2 power 1 by 3 plus another is given. The given value is here. We have to change this one. This is not minus. This is plus. Okay, this is plus 2 by 3. Then it is given there. How to prove this question? X cube minus 6x equals to 6 is the answer. Okay, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. And here first of all write like this. Solution right here. Okay, look children, write a solution right here like this solution. Okay, and we have to write first of all the given values here. That is given x equals to here 2 to the power 1 by 3 and plus here 2 to the power 2 by 3 given. Okay, 2 by 3, right? And we have to prove this. Here is given left hand side. See there, left hand side equals to what is there? X cube. This is x cube minus 6x. Okay, this is x cube minus 6x. Then right there, as we know, the formula of, look here, a cube plus b cube 1. Okay, this I want to write the formula only here. I mentioned just in previous question also. We have to write this is a plus b whole cube, okay, minus 3ab, okay, and it's multiplied by again a plus b. Okay, like this we have to solve it. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? Then now let's put here x cube. X means what is here? X is given there 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, write a 1 by 3, and next one is plus, and there is given 2 to the power 2 by 3 is here. Okay, its power is 2 by 3 and its whole, look, x means this, its whole power will be 3 here. Okay, and then minus here in place of 6, right here 6 only. Okay, and then x, what will be here? X again put the same value 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, and plus right there 2 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, like this we have to keep here. And now see here children, we have in the formula here is 3 but here is 2, and look here we can make like this. Look here, this one 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, and here will be plus 2 to the power 2 by 3, right, like the same. Okay, and its whole power is 3. Then we can put a minus 3a. A means what is here? This is a. We can check it. 2 to the power 1 by 3. Here is A. Into B is there 2 to the power 2 by 3. 2 by 3. This is B. And next one is there A. This we can write this copy same. 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Right here 2 by 3. Okay. And we know that, look here, when you multiply this one, it will come this one multiplication. Okay. This one multiplication I want. So this base is same. Okay. If base is same, then what will be, look here, I want to show you here. 2 to the power 2 is same and this power will be added. No? Right here 2 to the power, this is 2. Okay. 2 to the power 1 by 3. Here is 2 by 3. Okay. And when you add 1 by 3 with 2 by 3, it will be here 2 to the power 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1. Then we have tried it 2 only, no? This cancel 3 3 and here's 1. That's why here is 2 to the power 1 by 3 and 2 to the power 2 by 3 means 2 only. Then 3 to the 6, it comes here. Here 6 comes, okay? When you multiply 3 with 2, this is 2, that's why 6. Okay? Now, what you have to do here? This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. That means this is the formula of a, right here, a means here 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3, okay? It's whole cube, write a whole cube, and here will be plus, and right here 2 to the power 2 by 3. It's also whole cube. It's also whole cube, and this 3 will be cancelled. This 3 and this 3 cancel. Then what is the remaining? Check here. It will be 2 plus, here will be also 2 square only, okay? This 3 and this 3 cancel, and 2 square means here 4, okay? Now see here, children. Then it will be here 2 plus 4, okay? When you add this 2 and 4, then answer comes here 6. This is our right hand side. Okay, like this we have to prove this question. Right hand side, then right here, it's proved. It is proved, okay? Like this we have to do this question number 4, okay? Okay, now I'm showing you here more questions, okay? They are also related to this laws of indices to prove. Okay, the question is, that is 5 number, if p equals to q to the power r, okay, and q equals to r to the power p, and r equals to p to the power q, asking to prove that prove p q r equals to 1. So similarly, I want to give next question also, which is, if a equals to 10 to the power x, okay, b equals to 10 to the power y, and there is given a to the power y, b to the power x equals to 100, Then prove that x y equals to 1. See here, children. Now I have this 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. You are clear about this? Okay. I'm going to solve for you the different questions than this 1, 2, 3, 4, which is like this. This is of 5 number, okay? Question number 5 is like this. Let's solve it. If the question is like this, okay, if p equals to if p equals to q to the power r, okay, if p equals to q to the power r and q equals to there is q equals to r to the power p, r to the power p, okay, and there is given next also, and r equals to given p to the power q. Then asking to prove here. Question asked to prove here. Prove. Okay, here it is asked to prove. Prove PQR equals to 1, okay? PQ, okay, R, their product is, we are going to prove here 1. This is the question to prove, okay? Children, now look here. I'm going to solve this question, and I'm giving here the question number 6 also, right? Similar one. In question number 6, there is if a equals to, look here, if a equals to given there, okay, 10 to the power x, 10 to the power x, okay, and b equals to there is 10 to the power, okay. Look, I'm going to write the question again here once again. That was question number 5, okay. There was a little bit connectivity disturbance, okay. 5 number. 5 number, the question was there if p equals to q to the power r, okay. Q to the power r, and this given the q equals to r to the power p, r to the power p, and there is given next one r equals to, right, p to the power q, right here. Then we need to prove there, prove, the question is given there, prove pqr equals to 1, pqr equals to 1 is asked to prove here. Then I want to give here 6 number question also. 6 number question also just related to 5 number, okay. It is like this: if a equals to 10 to the power x, okay, b equals to 10 to the power y, b equals 10 to the power y, and right here, and a to the power y dot, there is, and next one is the b to the power x, okay, equals to 100, there is given, okay, there is given 100. Then asked to prove there, prove xy equals to 1, okay. This proof is given there, xy equals to 1. Like this we have to solve it, we have to prove it. Look here children, how to solve this type of question? Look here. Here is given next. I'm writing it down here. A to the power y. Okay, it is given there. A to the power y. Okay, a to the power y dot this will multiply, and b to the power x. B to the power x equals to, right? It is given there 100. It is given there 100. Okay, then asked to prove was there. Prove. It is asked to prove xy equals to 1. Okay, this is asked us to prove, right? Yes. Now these two questions are also related to the laws of indices. Okay, and look here. Look here, if such type of questions are asked, then how to solve. I want to show you here. Look for this one. First of all, this given values. Look, okay, and we have to see by taking the given values here. Solution. Okay, right here solution. Then first of all, write this one. P equals to q to the power r. Okay, that is given this first one, and don't change any other values. Just put this p right same. Okay, and we know this q. Q means what is there? R to the power p. In place of q, we will write here r to the power p. Okay, and its whole power is already there, r. Okay, this power. And now what happened? Look, okay, third step, that is write p only. P means here is power 1. Okay, and now in place of r also we can write for this. R means what there? P to the power q there is given. Okay, p to the power q, and this p and this r will be multiplied and right here pr. Okay, whole power is pr. Power and its whole power will be multiplied, and then right here this is or. Then what is happening here? P to the power 1. Okay, equals to, then right here p to the power p, this p r multiplied with q, then it will be here p to the power p q r. Okay, this all three powers will be multiplied here, p r into q p q r. Then look at both the sides are base same. Okay, p here is also p, here also p. if the bases are same, okay, this base, this p and this p, okay, base same, then power will be also equal. That means 1 equals to pqr. That means pqr equals to 1. This is proved right here, proved. Okay, similarly, we have to prove this question number 6 also. Similarly, we have to prove this question number 6 also. Okay, look there. Let's solve this question number 6 similarly. Similarly, okay. Okay, let's practice the 6th number. Okay, for this 6th number right here, solution, okay. Its solution is it down here. Solution is done here. And for this question, first of all, let's put this third one given here. What is given in third one? There is given a to the power y into there is b to the power x, okay? And here is given 100, right here 100. And then a means we know already they are given 10 to the power x. In place of a, right there 10 to the power x, okay? And its power also there is given y, okay? Here is given already y power, right? Y power same, and dot, this is multiplication. And b is given there 10 to the power y, okay? 10 to the power y, and its whole power is also given there x, okay? At the same, and we know 100 means also it is the 10 square, right? Right, it's square. As we know that if the base is same, here is also base same, here is base same, we can write 10 to the power, it is what? Power multiplied this xy, this x into xy, into it will be also 10 to the power xy, okay? Right here xy, right? Both bases are 10 here, and here also we can do 10 to the power 2. It means 10 tens are 100, isn't it? That will be power 2, right? And then now look at in here is or then look, we write here only 110 and we add the power according to the laws of indices xy plus xy. As we know, xy plus xy is 2xy, and here is 10 to the power 2. Okay, write it 10 to the power 2, and then bases are same. Then power also will be equal. This xy plus xy it has become 2xy. That power, this power 2xy, and here's power is 2. Power will be equal because the bases are same here. Okay, the bases are same. Then right here, when 2 goes here to divide, right? Here is 2. Okay, when this 2 goes here to divide 2 divided by 2, then answer will come here xy equals to 1. Like this we have to solve, and the question is asking to prove xy equals to 1. It came xy equals to 1, which is proved. Okay, it is called proved. The question is proved. Okay, like this we have to prove this question of laws of indices. Okay, now I hope you understood this question number 5 and 6 also. These are solved by the similar way. Now look here, I am going to give you the another type of question, that is question number 7, right? Sachin Khadka is also watching there. Very good. Okay, welcome to my class. Welcome, Sachin. And one chess master is also watching. Thank you very much. Look, Isla, now I'm going to give you the another type of question related to this laws of indices to prove. Okay, here I am going to give you, that is the seventh number. Okay, in seventh number, The question is like this, look here. Seventh number and eighth number I am giving here. Seventh number is that if a equals to x to the power p, b equals to x to the power q, and c equals to x to the power r, then prove. It's asking to prove a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q equals to 1. The next question is that if m equals to a to the power x, n equals to a to the power y, and a square equals to, that is given, m to the power y and n to the power x whole power z. Okay, that is given this. Then prove, we have to prove that x, y, z equals to 1. This is the question that I am going to do here, okay? And here on this question, okay? And look, see there, okay? Now, see here, I'm going to give the question number 6, which is like this, look here. Oh, it's already 6 down here. Seventh number I'm going to give you. The seventh number question is like this, look here. I am going to clear this, okay? That is seventh number. The seventh number question is given like this, look here, children. Seventh number is given that if, okay, if x, that is given there, a to the power, okay, a equals not a power, a equals to, given there, x to the power p, okay, x to the power p given, a equals to x to the power p, and there is given b equals to x to the power q, b equals to, given there, x to the power q, okay, right, like this q, another is there given, and there is given next also, and there is given c equals to, given there, x to the power r, okay, c equals x to the power r. Then asking us to prove here, question asking to prove, its proof is that a to the power, q minus r, okay, here is given q minus r, okay, here is given q minus r into b to the power, is b to the power r minus p, okay, and into c to the power p minus q. This is given p minus q, right, p minus q, And question asking to prove okay, equals to 1, its value is 1 to prove, right? And there is given 8 number also. In 8 number it is asked to prove that, okay, first I had given if m equals to, is given m equals to, if m equals to a to the power x, a to the power x, okay, m equals to a to the power x, and next one is there n equals to also given their value, n equals to given value, a to the power y, okay, a to the power y given there, and next value is given there, a square given there, okay, a square equals to given there, m to the power y, this is given there, m to the power y, n to the power x, okay, and its whole power is given there z, okay, this is given z, and then asking us to prove there, given there, prove, okay, we have to prove that xyz equals to 1, xyz equals to 1, we have to prove it, xyz equals to 1, we have to prove it, okay. This is the question number 7 and 8. Okay, children, now look here for this. How to solve this question? Look here, I want to show you here one by one, okay. Look, first of all, question number 7. First of all, let's do this one. And here is right here left hand side. This is left hand side, okay. This is left hand side. In left hand side, we have to do, see here, children, there is given a to the power q minus r, right? Okay, q minus r, and dot here is into b to the power r minus p, right here, and dot here is c to the power p minus q, okay. This is given, and now look here, it's easy there. Now let's substitute the value there. What are the given values? Okay, substitute them like this. Look, in place of a, in place of a, look children how to do this question by substitution. Sachin Katka, you welcome, please welcome. Welcome, students. And in the question, look, what is the value of a here? Okay, this value of a we will put here x to the power p. Right here x to the power p. Okay, in place of a, then its whole power also given there q minus r. Right here q minus r. Okay, like this q minus r. And similarly, look, b value is given there x to the power q, b value, right, x to the power q, and its whole power is also given there r minus p, okay. And similarly into c is given there, value is given there x to the power r, okay, right there x to the power r, right here, okay. And then its whole power is there p minus q, right here, okay. And then when you remove this bracket, this power and this whole power will multiply. Then it will be there x to the power p into q, pq, it will be pq minus p into r, it will be here pr, right, pr. And here is dot into, that is x to the power. Here also remove the bracket, this will be q into r, qr right here. Okay, rq also you can write minus q into p, it will be here pq, right here pq. Okay, and similar now here also remove the bracket, it will be x to the power pr right here, or rp, pr right here, minus, and this q into r, it will be here qr right here. Okay, like this qr, right, qr. Now look here, all the bases are same. Look, here is also x, there is also x, there is x, and we are going to multiply them and write only one base x. Okay, then all the power add them. Okay, pq minus pr, okay, plus this power will be added now, qr minus pq. Okay, then next power also add this one, pr minus qr. Okay, so then look here now, here pq plus pq minus 0 minus pr plus pr 0 minus, look here, plus qr minus qr 0. That's why it will be x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means its value is 1, right? It is our question to prove right here. Right hand side proved. We, we brought this one, okay? This one came, then proved right here. It was asked to prove, then we proved it. It is proved here, okay? Like this, we have to prove this question. And now let's move here for the next question. Now look, children, I am going to show you here how to solve this question number 8. And here is given, look here, m value given, n value given, and here is given a square equals to m to the power y, n to the power x, and to the power z. Okay, and let's do here like this here. What is the first one? Look here, it is given. Write a solution. Okay, we are proving this by using this given values, and given one is there, m to the power y, okay, and n to the power x here is, right, and its whole power is z. Okay, this value is given equal to a square. There is, look, a square equals to that also you can write. A square is given there, okay? And then look at children, in place of m, can you write this a to the power x? Look, write it a to the power x, okay? And here is already y, okay? That's why it will be here y also, power y. And here is n means what is here? A to the power y, right there. A to the power y, and there is already x, okay? Write x also. Then its whole power is there, z, okay? Write it z equals to a power 2, okay? Write a power 2. And now look at children, when we open this bracket, what happens? See, right, or equals to, this is a to the power xy, then it will be a to the power, multiply with this xy z, it will be x y z, okay, and here into a to the power, we are removing the bracket, this also coming x y z, okay, equals to a to the power 2 here is, okay. And then right here now, If the bases are same, we have to write only one base. Then we add the power while multiplying. XYZ plus XYZ, it will be now. This power plus this power will be added, okay? This will be 2XYZ, okay? 2XYZ, then it's about 2, okay? Then here will be now a to the power 2XYZ, okay? 2XYZ power, okay? Then here is remaining a to the power 2, right? And look, here is also a, here is also a. Then we can write here now, right here 2XYZ equals to, here is coming 2 only. Then last one we can write here now. When this 2 goes here, what happens? Look here, I'm doing this side. Then we have to write here XYZ, okay? XYZ equals to, we have to write here 2 by 2, okay? If we write 2 by 2, then answer will come here now. Therefore, XYZ equals to, its value is 1. Like this, we have to prove this. XYZ equals to 1, answer like this, okay? Right here, proved. It is proved now. Question number 8 is also proved. Like this, we have to solve it. Hello, Sachin. How are you? Sachin has also joined my class. Sachin Khadka. Here we just substitute the value, okay? This one. Then answer came. Now look here, I am going to add here some more questions here, which are related to laws of indices. Here we just keep the value of this m and n here. A same, then we can multiply by adding the power. Here will be xyz, xyz, okay? When you open the bracket, this z will multiply with xy and xy. Then it will be xyz, xyz, and base same, then we added the power to xyz equals to his a square. Base is same, then their power will be equal. Then that's why 2xyz equals to 2. Then when 2 go this side, it will be 2 divided by 2. Then it will be xyz equals to 1. 1 is the answer like this, okay? We have to solve by this. And now I am going to show you here how to solve this question of laws of indices, okay? Then it will be proved there all the difficulties question that students are facing. Difficult to solve. Those questions I am going to show you here how to solve them. How to solve them. Look, I am going to clear it and I will add here the most difficult question that students are facing, okay? That is question number 9, okay? Of today's class 1. This is 9 number. Look here. In this 9 number, I am giving this question. The question is like this. Look here. I want to right here. 9 number questions like this. See, 9 number question like this. Look here. It is if 3 to the power x equals to 5 to the power y equals to 15 to the power minus z. Okay, then so that so that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. Then 10th number question is there like this. If 2 to the power x equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 to the power z, then so that there is 2 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. We have to solve by this. Okay, this one. I'm going to show you this question. The question is, look here, I'm going to repeat here. Okay, number 9, that is the question number. If, see here children, if 3 to the power x, the question is that 3 to the power x, okay, equals to 5 to the power y, here is given 5 to the power y, okay, equals to, and 15 to the power minus z, there is 15 to the power minus z, there is given question 15 to the power minus z, and then so that given there, then so that, okay, that means we have to prove there, then so, okay, then it is so that, then so that, okay, then so that question is asking to show 1 by x, here is 1 by x plus 1 by y, okay, plus 1 by z, okay, 1 by z equals to 0. We have to prove it. This is the question to prove, right? And now look here, in this condition, how to show them. 3 to the power x, 5 to the power y, 12 to the power, that is okay, and 5 to the power y equals to 15 to the power minus z, and then show that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 0. Okay, it's right the question. And then let's see here how to do this question. And this is 2 power x equals to 3 power y equals to 12 power z equal, then so that 2 by x plus 2 1 by y plus equals 1 by z. Okay, let's do this question. See here how these questions are solved. Okay, look, I'm going to show you here the question number 9 first. See here children, in this question number 9, write a solution first. Okay, solution. In the solution, what is given the first side there? 3 to the power x is given there equals to 5 to the power y is also given there equals to, and there is given 15 to the power minus z. Okay, this power is given minus z, power is given there minus z, right? And now look here, according to this question, the given one value, look here, in this one, look here, this 3 to the power x equals to 15 to the power minus z. Okay, there is no problem here, and they are equal to each other. See, write like this. First of all, write 3 to the power x, okay, equals to, and we can write it 5 to the power y, okay. And from this one, we can divide, okay, we can divide this power, okay. If we divide the power by x, then what happens? Look here, 3 power x divided by x, okay. Then it will be here, like this, look, 5 to the power y also divided by x, okay. Both the powers should be divided by same. Then here comes 3 equals to coming here 5 to the power y by x, okay, y by x right here, 5 to the power y by x will be remaining here. And similarly, now look children here, in last one, look there, we can write this 5 to the power y equals to, also we can write this 15 to the power minus j, right? Write here 15 to the power minus z. Then what we can do children, look here, here in this place, student, look here, 5 to the power y, then in place of 15 we can write a 3 into 5, okay, we can write a 3 into 5, 15, and its whole power is there minus z, okay, can write like this. And then now look children here, and in place of this, see here, in place of 3, here's 5 to the power y only same, okay. Then what will happen here, look, in place of 3, if we put this value, it will come like this or not? See, 5 to the power, this 3 means we have just found 5 to the power y by x, okay. This is you found here, no, here 3 means 5 to the power y by x, put here 5 to the power y by x into here is 5 to the power 1, right? And right here minus z only, okay. If you put there minus z, now look here, let's solve this, what happened here, then write here 5 to the power y same, okay. And then what happens here, see, 5 to the power y, okay, by x, here is by x, okay. And when you open this bracket, then it will be multiplied with here minus z, okay, power multiply with this power minus z, and here's into 5 to the power, here's 1 into minus z will be minus z, okay, like this it will be here. Now let's forward this solution, it will be here 5 to the power y, okay, write y only. And what happened here, here became 5 to the power minus yz, okay, here became yz by x, okay, and here became 5 to the power minus z only, right? Then look here, all the bases are same, then while multiplying, what happens here, see here, okay, here I am separating the column, and now what happens here, and here it will be or right, okay, here is base 5 only, this 5 to the power y, and equals to what is happening here, here is happen 5 base same, base same, then power is added, here will be minus, okay, it is yz, okay, by down is there x, okay, and power is added, right, a plus, and there is another power is minus z only, okay, z right here. Look, base is same, that's why we added the power. And right here, or and this side 5 to the power y, okay, same, equals to, but this 5 same, okay. Then let's take here LCM. This LCM is x only because it's below is 1, right? Then it will be here minus yz, and this will be also minus here. This x multiplied with z, now it will be z, okay, x, okay, because below there is 1 denominator. That's why this x multiplied with z minus zx. Now children, look here, both the side base is same. Here also base 5, here also base 5. If the bases are same, their power will be also equal. Now let's make the power equal here. Y equals to, what is the power here? Minus yz, okay, minus zx, okay, and by here is x, okay. Then what happens is, look here, then this, when x goes here, it will be xy, right? It will be xy here, and equals to, there will be minus yz, okay, here will be minus yz, and this is also the same zx, okay. Now let's bring this all the values on the right side, okay. If we bring all the right side, then what happens, look at children, all will be positive. This will be xy plus yz, okay, plus, then this is zx, okay, and right side there is remaining 0, okay. Now our result is to bring here 1 up, okay. That's why let's divide here, right here, dividing, dividing, right here, dividing both sides by, dividing both sides by, dividing both sides by xyz, right here, both sides by xyz, right here, x, y, and z. Let's divide all by xyz, then what will be here? Xy divided by xyz, okay, plus yz also divided by xyz, and then last there is zx also divided by xyz, okay, right, like this xyz here. Then this side will be 0 also divided by xyz, okay. We can divide both sides of the equation by same according to mathematics rule. It will be 0, and here xy cancel, here is remaining, okay, 1 by z plus, and here is remaining yz cancel, 1 by x remaining, plus here is zx cancel, then 1 by y is remaining here. That's why our result came here. Plus, then we can add any one first. No, here in plus, 1 by x, here is middle, we can add first, 1 by y we can add at the middle, and 1 by z is also plus, we can add at last. This value equals to 0. This is our answer to bring, look here, this is, that's we have tried here, proved. Like this we have to prove this question. Our solution is proved here like this. We should prove the solution like this. Okay, this is also the question. The most of the students, they feel difficult while solving, but this solution that I have done will make the solution of the students very easy. Okay, children. This will make your solution easy. Okay, children, look here now. I want to share with you the next questions that students are feeling difficulties while solving. This is the 10th number of today's question. Okay, I'm going to clear this. Okay, this is the 10th number of today's live class. Okay, and question is asking that, see there, it is asking if, see here children, if 2 to the power x, okay, right, if 2 to the power x, right, equals to 3 to the power y equals to 12 to the power z. Okay, these are given 12 to the power z. Then asking to prove that 12 to the power z, then asking to prove then, right here, then show that it is given that, then show that questions given there 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x plus 1 to the power y, the 1 by 1, this is not the power, okay, 1 by y, asking to prove 2 by x plus 1 by y equals to, given there to prove 1 by z. Okay, this is the question to prove 1 by z. We have to prove 2 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. This is the question to prove that. Just now we have a 9 grammar question, and similarly we have to solve this also. Let's solve, students, how to solve such type of question. Right, like this question asks then how to solve. See here, look, in such questions should be solved like this. First of all, write this given one, write a solution. Okay, right here solution. Okay, in here, Switzerland, first of all, write the given values here, 2 to the power x, okay, equals to 3 to the power y. and equals to, that is given 12 to the power z. Okay, this is given. And then in this question, what you have to solve? Look here. We have to prove this one. 2 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by z. Okay. Then see here. First of all, write this 2 to the power x. Okay. Equals to 3 to the power y here. Right. Then when you find the value of 2, then it will be 2 into this power divided by same. Okay. You can divide the power by the same on both sides. 2 to the power x by x, then 3 to the power also y divided by x. Okay, here power also divided by x. Okay, children. Then this x and this x cancel. What happened here? Therefore, 2 equals to, we can write here 3 to the power y by x. Okay, like this, 3 to the power y by x. Then go for the second question. This is given there. See, second term, this is 3 to the power y equals to, write it 12. What is the meaning of 12 there? 12 means we can write 2 into 3. Right? Like this we can write 2 to the 4, 4 is a 12, then its power is there z. Then look, Celine, what you have to do here? Or write this 3 power y, okay? This 3 power y equals to, then write this 2 value we have just found there. It is 3 power y by x, okay? Right here y by x, okay? X into, and this value of 2 also we can write here 3 power y by x, okay? And last, finally there is already 3, its power is 1, right? Then its whole power is z. Okay, now let's simplify this question, this step. This is coming 3 to the power y, write it same, equals to, what happens here? 3 to the power, okay, this all the power will multiply, and it will be like this, look here, y z by x, okay, into, here is also z power y z by x, okay, write x into, and this is already z power 1, that's why it will be z power 1 into z is z only. This power is 1, that's why 1 into z is, no, this is not the z, okay, this is the 3. We have done it 2 into 2 into 3, that means 3, this is okay. 3 power y z by x, this is also 3 power, this is not z, okay children. This looks like z, but this is not z here, this is 3. 3 to the power y by x, okay, I correct it here. 3 to the power yz by x, 3 to the power yz by x, and here is also, there is not z, this is 3 to the power, okay. This is 3, okay. As we have factorized, 2 into 2 into 3, this is 3 to the power y by x, 3 to the power y by x, and this one, last one, is 3 to the power 1, and then y by x multiplied with z, it will be yz by x. Here also z power yz by x, and here is 3 power 1 into z, here will be, this is z, okay, this is z. Then what happens, look here, here is base 3, 3 to the power y, right, and here will be also 3, this power plus this power plus this power, we add this all power right here, yz by x plus yz by x, okay, plus here is z only, that's why we are writing as z by 1. Okay, then what happens, look here children, here is coming 3 power y equals to, here is coming 3 power this x1, its LCM will be here x only, and here will be yz, write a yz plus yz, okay, and then here is nothing, there is 1 only, that's why x multiplied with z, this will be zx, okay, that is zx. Now both the bases are same, then what can we do here? We can do that power will be equal, y equals to, we can write here, this power is what, 2yz this side is 2yz plus this is zx, okay, is whole upon x, okay. When this x will be multiplied here, this x goes here to multiply with y, and it will be here xy equals to 2yz plus zx, okay, 2yz plus zx. Then what happens, look here, we need to bring here 2, right? That's why dividing both sides by, right here, dividing both sides by, we can divide both sides of the equation by same, dividing, right here, both sides by, dividing both sides by, right here, both sides by, okay, right here, 2x, that's not 2 in it up, that's why don't write this 2, okay, we divide both sides by xy z only, because we need 2 up, that's why don't divide by 2, divide both sides by xyz, then what happens here, this will be xy by xyz, okay, equals to, here is 2yz, 2yz by xyz plus, what is here, zx by 2, this is not 2, okay, this is x only, xy z, then we can call zx, okay, zx cancel, here is yz cancel, here is xy cancel, there is 1 remaining. Now right answer, therefore it is remaining here 1 by z, okay, here is remaining 1 by z, okay, it is came, look, it came this one, it came there 1 by z here, 1 by z, and yz cancel, then it is remaining 2 by x here, and plus, and here is remaining zx cancel, then 1 by y is remaining there, and we can write like this, 2 by x plus 1 by y, 2 by x plus 1 by y equals 1 by z, then our question is proved. Like this we have to prove this question, we have to prove this question like this, okay children, like this we have to solve it. Dividing both sides of this equation by xyz, then it will come 1 by z equals to 2 by x plus 1 by y. This was the question to prove here, okay. Here this z and 3 was written together, okay, that's why this is same step. This is, these bases are, okay, 3 3 3, all the bases are 3, okay. If the bases are 3, then we have to write only one base and add the power. Like this we have to solve this type of question, okay. I hope you understood this. Okay, from today's live class, I want to go out and leave this class. Okay, and for the next time, I will bring the other difficult questions of the different topics. Okay, and today this much only. Thank you very much. Keep watching and practicing the mathematics. And please, if it is not subscribed my channel, subscribe it also. Thank you very much.